Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing, man? Great. Just videos. All good. How y'all doing? Y'all got any builds? I'll get a demo. I'm gonna get this one. Yeah. I don't hear anything. Alright, man. 1 minute info of everything in here. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's 4 Sundowns DV515s, 112 amp hour headway bank, 1 Crescendo VC4K, 270 amp alternator, a whole bunch of mids and highs.
Alright.
And ported 228 hertz.
Alright, appreciate it. And your name?
Johnny.
Johnny. Alright, appreciate the demo.
Close that door. Close it.
Nice work. Who did this?
Me and him did it.
Nice. I like it.
Thank you, man.
That's good. And you got this. What made you do carry it instead of just...
this thing keeps falling out.
It'll fall out, yeah.
Yep.
I see.
Plus, I can go outside and play the mids and highs if I want to.
Did you retune your port slightly? Was it a little too wide before?
This is just a trim piece.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So your port area is... Where's your port area at, do you know?
It's, I kind of forgot. I think maybe 165. I'm not.
165? Okay.
Yeah, 165.
Alright. Are you happy with it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Awesome. Uh-oh, you got a crack.
Yeah, that's from an older build.
What'd you have before this then?
Before it was a 315s.
Okay.
Another flat wall.
Yeah.
This happened with a 4th order. But yeah, it cracked before the wood roof.
Yes, sir.
1 4K right now.
This is the Crescendo 4K.
Yeah. Yeah, 47.
0.7. All right.
Mission. 3 minutes jumping hard. Fuck a bodyguard. Always starting right. Motherfucker. Oh, I got a sack, man. I've been when the pack in. Bitch, with new friend. You call me Pack. Oh, I got a sack, man. I've been when the pack in. Bitch, with new friend. You call me Pack, man. I'm the Pack, man. But it's not.
Sure, yeah, man. What are you metering on it?
I haven't metered it yet.
Haven't metered? Okay.
Yeah.
I'd say what, 55s, 54s?
Yeah, around there probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, not too big on the meter, just demo it, you know.
I understand, man.
Yeah.
Yep.
Won't you?
What's up, man? I'm just doing videos.
Videos, man.
Appreciate it. You can demo this one open too?
Yeah, I gotta close that one.
Okay. I'm just getting subflex. You do your thing, man.
Man, I need a mission. Man, they trapping hard. Fuck a bodyguard. Always starting right. Motherfucker. Oh, I got a set, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.